In this video we show how to replace the lens screen on a Blackberry Pearl. The first thing we need to do is remove the lens from the Blackberry phone. The lens is held in with glue, so we need to pry this apart. To do this, use a safe pry tool and run it between the lens and the phone, giving it a little twist to pry the lens away. You will then be able to remove the lens from the phone. We are now ready to install the new screen. These replacement screens can be found on our website. First, we need to remove the adhesive backing from the lens, as being shown here in the video. We can now line up the lens and put it in place. Once the new lens is in place, gently push it down, making sure the adhesive makes good contact. Once this is done, you can remove the screen protector from the lens.